General, with your English, people have been requesting me to ask you in which class you are. So in which class are you?
Yeah, I'm now in a senior 3.
Hey, you are now in senior 3. Okay, which school is that?
It's called what? The school is called? I've forgotten the school.
Yeah.
I ended in Maracha Eshel Secondary School, senior 3.
But General, you are in senior 3, but sometimes the type of English can make me to wonder. Anyway, that is enough.
Taka kumunira gwesebo gatia.
Huh? Chichi?
Taka ko gwesebo. On one fire, one leggy. Mama.
Chichi.
Uli ngumi. Nyo.
Eh? Ngumi?
Takukuba.